Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Blush with Bloom. In this video I am going to show you how to make face primer at home. Most of the people do not know about makeup primer. So primer is a makeup product used before foundation and it does two magical works. It forms a thin layer between your skin and foundation, so there are minimum chances of product entering into your pores. It gives smooth coverage and makes skin look more even, gives a long lasting effect to your foundation. Making your own primer at home is super duper easy. I have used just few simple ingredients in it. This primer works best for dry to normal skin types. For making primer, you will need aloe vera gel to mattifies, then water based moisturizer to help your foundation go on smoother, drops of foundation for light coverage, sunscreen to prevent sun damage and it is optional, face powder to prevent shine. I begin by pouring aloe vera gel into container. I am using Patanjali aloe vera gel, you can use any aloe vera gel. Now I am going to add moisturizer and I am using Good Vibes orange gel. You can add any water based moisturizer. Next add foundation. Add this as per the coverage you wish to achieve. I added a tiny amount because I wanted this to function like a tinted moisturizer. Next add sunscreen and loose powder. Mix everything together till it's nice and even. Mixture should not be too dense or too runny. Somewhere in between is perfect. And it is done. Try it on. I have an oily skin, so which is why I added more gel and less moisturizer in primer. If you have normal skin, add same amount of moisturizer and gel, and for dry skin add less gel and more moisturizer. You can use any product which you already have, or you can go for products I have used here. Link is given in description box. So guys, I hope this helps to get your base smooth and flawless. If you find this video helpful, then like, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified.